Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love powerful muscle cars, today's review is going to be a treat. The legendary Chevelle SS 454 is back for 2026, and it's making a statement with an incredible 650 horsepower under the hood. Let's dive into every detail of this next-generation beast. The 2026 Chevelle SS 454 revives an icon with modern engineering while staying true to its muscle car roots. Under the hood, it packs a monstrous 454 cubic inch V8 engine, producing an astonishing 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This power is delivered through either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a 10-speed automatic for those who prefer seamless shifts. With a 0 to 60 time of just under 3.5 seconds, this car is built for pure adrenaline. Design-wise, the new Chevelle SS blends classic aesthetics with modern aggression. It features a long, sculpted hood with functional air intakes, a bold front grille with SS badging, and sleek LED headlights that give it a menacing presence. The body lines pay homage to the original 70s model while incorporating aerodynamic enhancements. The rear showcases quad exhaust tips, a subtle lip spoiler, and signature LED taillights, making sure it looks as good leaving as it does arriving. Step inside, and you're greeted with a perfect balance of retro styling and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather with SS embroidered seats, offering both comfort and support. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Bose sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. The new Chevelle SS also comes equipped with a heads-up display, ambient lighting, and a wireless charging pad for convenience. Safety and technology are not overlooked in this powerhouse. It includes advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Brembo high-performance brakes provide excellent stopping power, and an adjustable magnetic ride suspension ensures a smooth yet responsive ride. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Chevelle SS 454 doesn't disappoint. A rear-wheel drive setup delivers an engaging driving experience, while an optional all-wheel drive system offers enhanced grip for those who want extra stability. The exhaust note is nothing short of thunderous, thanks to an active exhaust system that allows drivers to switch between a deep rumble and an aggressive roar. Multiple drive modes, including track, sport, and comfort, let you tailor the car's performance to your preference. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model starts at around $75,000, with higher trims and performance packages pushing it closer to $90,000. For those who want the ultimate Chevelle SS experience with all available upgrades, expect to pay around $100,000. Considering the performance, luxury, and heritage packed into this machine, it offers incredible value for muscle car enthusiasts. The return of the Chevelle SS 454 is a dream come true for classic car lovers and modern performance seekers alike. It brings raw power, aggressive styling, and advanced technology into one legendary package. With 650 horsepower, stunning design, and a comfortable yet high-tech interior, this next-generation muscle car is ready to dominate the streets. That's it for today's review on Ride Reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Chevelle SS 454. Would you take this over a Challenger Hellcat or a Camaro 1 Zelati? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.